Ahoy Stubbs, we went with a different recommendation last night. We didn't go to Boomer's Baja Lobster or Q Dick. I forget all the recommendations, but we saw lots of them last night and they were completely packed. We ended up going to Kansas City Barbecue where they filmed Top Gun and somehow racked up a $200 bill. I don't know how. I think they ripped us off. I wasn't paying attention for a bit. Yeah, we went to Kansas City. It was better than Stubbs' recommendation that was like, oh, drive an hour and a half. No, I think my GPS is freaking out. Like, for example, right now my laptop keeps changing the time. It thinks I'm in Chicago for some reason. It's really convinced of that, and I can't convince it otherwise. I can't even manually set the time. It's just like, no, you're in Chicago, Cody. Don't act wild. It should be in the supply bin. It's got a blue handle. Ed, be careful. Talking to my laptop. Hey Siri, I'm in San Diego right now, and I'm always in this time zone. I never leave this time zone. Stop changing it. Have Zool fix it? Well, we've come to the determination Zool's like a news anchor. Or an event promoter. So, that's not going to work. That's not really his expertise. Grab a different you like. We also have no ladder borrowing incidents. No, this has been incident free, you could say, besides the fire. There was the fire, but I'll talk about that tomorrow. Or Tuesday. Tuesday is the big repair day. We're going to finally do a repair-a-thon. You got it. About the fire? It's quite simple. Hello! Whoa! We got Dynamite Twins sighting and King Baypok. How you guys doing?
Good.